you are a horse.
What's the best documentary ever created?
My octopus teacher.
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
It's just your calling. It's sort of a reminder of what you really are and what.
Classic. A Beautiful Mind. A Beautiful Mind and Rayman. Rayman with the Dustin Hoffman.
Ford versus Ferrari.
Hey, this is the all-encompassing, immaculate, splendid Atelston Fitzgerald holder, the first.
Okay. Classic. A classic. A Beautiful Mind. A Beautiful Mind and Rayman.
Anyway, back to the original. So, Mr. Pregnant is an extension of myself. Just like Christopher Reeve is Superman's altered ego.
What's the best TV show ever created?
Honestly, for me,
It's Sesame Street.
yeah, Sesame Street is a classic.
What's the best TV show ever created?
Rugrats, Barney Mac or something.
Why are you not doing Mr. Pregnant anymore? And what was the evolution of this character, if it was a character?
Well, Mr. Pregnant was more like an extension of myself, kind of like my altered ego. You know, like you had Superman, and you had Clark Kent, and Superman, or back in the 70s, Christopher Reeve, but Superman. But Christopher Reeve was the alter ego, which is one of the biggest irony in superhero movies, where we assume that Superman was the alter ego, but the alter ego was Christopher Reeve, right? Because he was born Superman, right? So people have that sort of ironic misconception that I have evolved from Mr. Pregnant, when it's the complete contrast of that. Mr. Pregnant was nothing more than an extension of myself.
Is that duality? Is that duality, or is that just a construct?
Nah, duality. And are we live? Is this an intellectual conversation, or this is a comedy show?
It's,
or
I'm doing the best I can. I'm Robert Downey Jr., number one.
Well, that's the problem. That's why I wore the jacket, because you Iron Man, so you are a mixture of both.
Right. But I'm not too smart not to touch hot water after the iron goes in it. So I'm basically a philosopher of wearing nice clothes and being alert and being witty and things like that.
Well, that's ironic, because I'm the one with the nice clothes right now. Look at your boy. Anyway, back to the original. So, Mr. Pregnant is an extension of myself. Just like Christopher Reeve is Superman's altered ego.
You're hard working, and I'm pretty certain, buddy, from the day I saw you, I said, this is the next biggest thing happening in comedy. You'll be sick. Yo, look who I'm with. Did you see it? Yo, fly. Yes, sir. Yo.
This is so beautiful that I don't even want to stop you. This is almost 2 minutes, but fuck it, whatever.
What's the best documentary ever created?
My octopus teacher.
Best documentary?
LSD, or psilocybin, mushroom, or dimethyltryptamine.
Did you see it? Yo, fly. Yes, sir. Yo.
Okay. Classic. A classic.
Big term for DMT. Any sort of psychoactive substance that temporarily alter the state of
Classic. A Beautiful Mind. A Beautiful Mind and Rayman. Rayman with the Dustin Hoffman.
This is so beautiful that I don't even want to stop you. This is almost 2 minutes, but fuck it, whatever. This is so good.
I made it shorter.
And so why are you not doing Mr. Pregnant anymore? And what was the evolution of this character, if it was a character?
More like a Hendrix. And this is what made Jimi Hendrix so as aesthetically astonishing in those era, because
Thank you. You're gifted. You're hard.
Here is Two Crows from the better known Two Crows band. You can catch him as Slappy Bonaducci in the messagings. Okay, so here we go. This is what we got. Oh, I love it. I love it. I really love it. It's really great. It's got a Steven Seagal thing to it.
this is more like a Hendrix. And this is what made Jimi Hendrix. No, I don't see anything at all. I'm just admiring myself and enjoying your presence and being on the show with freaking Tony Stark himself, Iron Man. I'll tell you what caused that. Lysergic acid diethylamide. But you want to know if I iron a jacket?
I don't want to know. I want the people out there to know. And can you even see the different messages people are writing in? Did you see any of these messages?
No, I don't see anything at all. I'm just admiring myself and enjoying your presence and being on the show with freaking Tony Stark himself, Iron Man. Man, transcends you into a place. And this is what Einstein and Hendrix used to do a lot. They used to explore something called power hypnagogy. Power hypnagogy have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination.
Is that duality? Is that duality, or is that just a construct?
Nah, duality. And are we live? Is this an intellectual conversation, or this is a comedy show?
It's, I'm doing the best I can. I'm Robert Downey Jr., number one.
That's a hypnopompic hallucination occurs on the onset of sleep. Hypnagogic occurs on the onset. And what Einstein would do is he would doze off with an object in his hand. And as he's about to fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake and remember his hallucination.
Oh, and you're just... Well, okay, we didn't expect that. Is this your workout routine, or is this how you meet the opposite sex?
See this? Yo! You see that? You see that?
No, I can't see it. See what? Oh, you're talking about the bulging muscle coming out of your jacket.
Absolutely. Look at your boy.
You're looking good, boy.
Which way look?
No, you really are. You're looking really good. You're looking thinner too, I think, or is that the layering of the outfit?
You looking, Jeff? You wanna see this? You wanna see freaking this? Yo, you wanna see this? You wanna? Absolutely.
Listen, I'm gonna need you to speak louder if you can, because I'm not hearing you as loud as you could be, and I don't want all of your intelligent words and your wisdom to fall on the ground and be left on the ground and kicked on the ground and again left on the ground. So what do we got now?
So I'm setting my camera. I'm setting this up.
Yeah, now I can hear you a little thicker. So let's just get started here. We always want to start at the beginning, because I just looked your bio up and it said, and I quote, known for being Mr. Pregnant. And then you're gone. Is this your workout routine, or is this how you meet the opposite sex? Okay. And then you're gone.